Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm so glad you clicked on this video because today I will be doing a beginner's guide on how to start deving. Most people in this niche do not even know that deving even exists. Most people just trade meme coins and they just get dumped on right after. That's why deving meme coins is a thing, because most people just buy any coin they see. So in today's video, bro, I will be doing a live tutorial on how to dev meme coins on chain professionally. So let's get right into it. Over the past couple of years, I've been deving meme coins and making a lot of money on chain. Now, if you look at my Phantom wallet right here, this is the combined amount from my friend group that we all made from launching meme coins on chain. Keep watching. I will be on gatekeeping a method for all of you guys in this video, bro. I do not sell a course. Now, most people don't lose money in meme coins because they're bad investors or bad trading. They lose because the whole game is rigged. Every single coin, right, goes to zero. I mean, I can almost guarantee it, okay? Because the devs are dumping on everybody, and that's the truth. People like you are trading these coins, buying into these coins, and then they get sold on directly by the guy who created the coin. And that's why a bunch of smart traders and the well-known KOLs like Orangey are saying that deving is way more profitable than trading. And that's the truth, because it's honestly just low risk and high upside. All you do is launch a coin and hope for traffic and for attention to get into your meme coin for it to explode. But when you trade meme coins, bro, every single time you're buying a coin, you're just entrusting your portfolio to the dev of the coin. That's why I personally switched to deving. It's way better, bro, and in this video I'm pretty sure I will convince you. Now, the process is simple. All we do is deploy the token, wait for buyers and for traders to buy our coin naturally. And by the way, there is a strategy to this which I will explain in this video for completely free, and then we just cash out. And that's why launching has become meta in 2026. Keep watching, bro, it's going to be insane. And by the way, bro, this entire video was recorded for educational purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And yeah, cap. Now, I'm not going to lie, bro. Most devs nowadays just launch coins on Pump.Fun and they spam coins every single hour, hoping for one coin to go viral. But let me tell you the truth. Spamming coins on Pump.Fun will not get you results because you are just wasting your time. There's too many coins, it's over competitive and it's oversaturated. If you want to stick out and actually profit as a dev, you'll want to do something a bit different, and that is launching somewhere else. I am not talking about BNB or other dexes. I am talking about the migrate section. That is also known as the Radium Dex. When a coin on Pump.Fun reaches a $55,000 market cap, it levels up to Radium. Now, there is a way to reach the Radium Dex without going through Pump.Fun, and that is by launching coins on Create Meme.io. Every single coin that is made on Create Meme.io goes directly to Radium. It gets immediately migrated, and that's exactly my strategy. And the worst part is that most devs do not even know that this is possible. That's why it's highly gatekept. Now, to make a meme coin on Create Meme.io, there are two completely different ways. Obviously, the first way is obvious. It's by creating your own coin. Now, I would highly recommend to create your own coin if you have a project, a community, or a really good narrative that you found before everyone else on social media, okay? But the second method is what I personally recommend, and that is the vamping method, also known as the copy trending coins method. Basically, bro, instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we are copying a coin that went viral before. All these coins are all gaining a bunch of attention, a bunch of buyers, a bunch of volume, and they're all relatively successful. And the point is that we are going to copy a coin here to Radium, and then we are going to convert way more people into our coin because we are vamping a coin that has a good narrative. I will do an example and show you exactly how it's done, bro. Let's fucking go. Now, the first ever step, okay, as a dev, is to obviously connect your Phantom wallet. It could be this website website or any other website, okay, you need a Phantom wallet, and then click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna go for the Benham coin, right? Why not? I'm gonna just try it out. Copy to random right here, click on that. Wait for Phantom to show up, ignore the block, right, and then click on proceed, confirm, I understand right here, then confirm, and then the coin should be vamped / copied. Just give it some time, bro. Just wait. Boom. And if you go on SoScan, right here you have proof that it's live, okay? 9 seconds ago, it's minted. You guys can go check online, right? My coin if you want. But yeah, bro, it's actually legit. Now, let's create our liquidity pool. Now, this page right here is where we create the random liquidity pool. It's the most important part, but it takes a couple seconds, bro. Trust me, once you get the hang of it, it will be quick. But basically, once it's created, people will be able to buy in your coin, and you will have supply before everyone else, so that you make profits as a dev, okay? Now look, for the amount of Benham coins, just tap on 90%. I find that the golden number for supply. Right under for the amount of soda pair, that is the first buy as a dev, so it's you will be buying inside your own coin. But don't worry, bro, the soul that you buy in with, you will get it back at the end of the launch. So it's not if you really spent anything, you just need 0.3 soul in your wallet. I have 0.9 right here. Let me just show you 0.9. So I'm gonna use 0.3 of it for the liquidity pool. Click on create pool. You are not losing it, by the way. And then in the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, bro, the Benham coin is live, and you have all your statistics right here, your profits, your portfolio, every fucking thing. And if you want to check how much you're up, bro, you could refresh a page or click here. And as you guys can see, bro, now we're up 170 bucks because people are now seeing our coin, they're interested, and I guess they're buying in. I don't know. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen or max screen to see the chart better. Just give it some time. Now as you guys can see here, bro, we're up a decent amount. People are buying in. It's kind of slow, but don't worry, bro, because the thing is with Rhythm is that more and more people are going to start seeing the coin every second from now on, and then you can convert a bunch of people, okay? Just give it some time. Just be patient. Let the coin pump. Bang, bro, 62 bucks. Just like that. 1.8k market cap. Things are looking good. I would highly recommend everyone to start deving, bro. Like, bro, you could either launch a bunch of coins on Pump.Fun or a bunch on Radium, and I would highly recommend Radium doing this method, okay? It costs nothing, right? So why not? 70 bucks. Well, it might cost a couple blockchain fees or some bullshit, but you know, it's nothing too much. 110 bucks worth of buys. Okay, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. When I come back, we will see how much you're up, and then I will show you guys exactly how to cash out and show you guys proof right after. Alright guys, I am back, and wow, bro, after like 10 minutes of this coin pumping, it is finally at a 7k market cap, 2.1k liquidity, 2.3k, whatever the fuck, and yeah, everything looks good, right? Now, I'm going to show you exactly how to cash out on your Memecoin. Come back to create meme.io. After that, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, 2,000 bucks is what we are going to receive if we cash out right now on our coin. So click on the minus button, do 100% to remove all your profits out, okay? There are strategies where you can clip profits while it's going up, but that's up to you. I'm going to do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for Phantom wallet to show up in a couple seconds, and then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how it's done, okay, from start to finish. Now look, if I open my Phantom wallet, bro, bang, 2,000 bucks is exactly what I received because it was a Phantom transaction, so it's instant, no strings attached. Now guys, you have to launch multiple coins if you want to see compounding results, okay? Obviously, I am not a financial advisor, it's all for educational purposes only, but bro, I had to launch like 10 to 20 coins in like a couple of days to even make 1,000 bucks, okay? So if you launch a meme coin, bro, do not expect this result. You could expect like $100, break even, $20, $5,000. You never know. It's fucking random, okay? It all depends to what you're copying. Anyways, bro, good luck to everyone. Create meme.io. You can go on Google or you can go in the comments down below. And if you want to win 5 Solana like this lucky winner right here, all you have to do is join my Discord, join my Telegram, like, comment, subscribe, and watch to the end and send me proof on Telegram.